Wine is often classified into styles according to its chemical composition. For example, as white, rosé or red wine according to its colour, as dry, semi-sweet or sweet wine according to its sugar content, as still or sparkling wine according to carbon dioxide content, and as fortified wine following the addition of grape spirit produced by distillation. Sensory differences between wine styles tend to be large and distinctive, but significant differences also occur between wines of the same style due to style variation. Style is strongly influenced by palate weight, an attribute closely associated with alcohol content. Wines can therefore be classified as light-bodied, medium-bodied or full-bodied, where body describes the weight of the wine resulting from the combined perception of alcohol, sugar, phenolic compounds or tannins, flavour and acid. Most wine styles are derived from specific grape varieties, since the inherent characteristics of certain grape varieties favour the production of particular styles of wine. For example, Riesling is generally a light-bodied dry white wine, whereas Chardonnay is usually a full-bodied dry wine. Varietal characteristics can vary according to wine region and vintage, due to variations in soil, climate and topography, also known as terroir, or in response to vineyard management practices, which we'll cover in weeks 2 and 3. Wine style can also be influenced by winemaking decisions, so it is usually possible to produce a number of different wine styles from a particular grape variety. For example, Chardonnay can be used to produce both a light-bodied sparkling wine and a full-bodied dry white wine. Winemakers have considerable influence on the winemaking process and therefore on wine style. Grape handling and processing methods, yeast strain selection, fermentation or maturation in oak barrels, malolactic fermentation and bottle aging will all influence the composition and sensory properties of wine and therefore ultimately the style variation. But we'll cover winemaking in weeks 4 and 5. For now, let's learn to assess wine style using formal sensory evaluation.